Hi, this is Kelly from Petaka Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and we are in the part of the tutorial where we are ready to substitute this green area in the part of your template that we've created together with your chosen background and then layered on top with your chosen characters, okay? So I just turned it to green so that you can see really clearly what we're going to be doing today. It's very easy. It's going to be a very fast video. You simply are going to come up to File and Insert and choose your background to be inserted first, okay? You want your backgrounds to be your bottommost layer because we're going to be layering our clip art on top. If we imported the background second, then our clip art piece is actually going to appear behind, and it might appear like it's not there at all. If you find that has happened, you can click on your background image and double click with your mouse and hit send back, and then it'll appear in the correct order, okay? So now at this point, if you are happy with how everything looks, you can go up to File, and then you're going to export as an image, and this is going to be our image background that we're going to be importing later into Boom Learning. So I have multiple slides on this page, and I want to designate what slide I want to export as the image, so we're going to make sure to designate from 12 to 12. And then we want to make sure the format is a JPEG, okay? So the next step would be to hit next, and then we would save it with the title that we want. I have already done that, so I'm not going to take the time in the video to do it, but you can go ahead and do that right now. So if you are somehow joining at this video for the first point, please go look at the playlist, and that way you can start from the very beginning. And if you've been following along the whole time, the next video, we're going to go over to the Boom Learning Workstation and put everything together, okay? If you're not already, please make sure to subscribe so that you're notified as soon as I post the video. And I would appreciate any comments from you, just letting me know how this process is going, if these videos are helpful, and what you would like to see next, okay? After we finish this exact game version, we're going to move on to the second variation, and I hope you're excited about that as well. All right, guys, bye.